What if you could start making money online today using ChatGPT with zero investment? Sounds wild, but in this video, I'll show you exactly how, step by step. We're turning your internet connection and this powerful AI into a money-making machine. No experience or paid tools needed. Welcome back to TechBucks AI, your channel for smart, actionable ways to earn online with AI. Today, I'm breaking down 5 insane methods you can start right now, even if you have no money to invest. Forget expensive courses and gurus. This is the free, practical way to start earning. Grab a notepad, get ready to take action, and let's dive in. First up, become a freelance superstar using ChatGPT as your secret weapon. Businesses everywhere need content. Blog posts, social media captions, YouTube scripts, product descriptions, and emails. Even if you're not a pro writer, ChatGPT does the heavy lifting. Sign up for free on Fiverr or Upwork, create your profile, and list your services. Millions of clients are searching for exactly what you can offer with ChatGPT's help. Here's how. A client gives you a topic, you prompt ChatGPT for a draft, then review and personalize it. Pro tip: use ChatGPT to write your gig descriptions too. You can offer multiple services: blog posts, social media content, scripts, product descriptions, email copy, all powered by AI. ChatGPT lets you handle more clients and deliver faster. Start with competitive prices, get your first reviews, then raise your rates as you build credibility. Specialize if you want. AI-powered YouTube script writing or engaging social media captions by AI help you stand out. Don't worry about being an expert in every niche. ChatGPT can research and write about almost anything. All you need is an internet connection, ChatGPT, and the drive to get started. This is a real business you can build from scratch, with zero upfront costs. After this video, head to Fiverr or Upwork, create your account, and brainstorm your first gigs with ChatGPT. Don't overthink it. Just start. The sooner you put yourself out there, the sooner you can land your first client. This is the ground floor of a massive opportunity, and you're getting in with zero risk. Let's move to the next hack. Hack number 2. Launch a faceless YouTube channel using ChatGPT. You don't need to show your face. Just pick a niche you love. History, tech, stories, tutorials, anything. Ask ChatGPT for a list of video ideas, then prompt it to write full scripts in your chosen style and length. Use free stock footage from Pexels or Pixabay, and edit with free tools like CapCut or Pictory. ChatGPT can also generate catchy video titles, descriptions, and tags to boost your reach. Once you hit YouTube's requirements, you can monetize with ads, brand deals, affiliate links, or even your own products. Many faceless channels rack up millions of views and serious income, all without expensive gear or being on camera. Consistency is key. With ChatGPT, you can create multiple videos a week. Focus on quality and value, and let AI handle the heavy lifting. Start by picking a niche you're passionate about. Then use ChatGPT for ideas, scripts, and optimization. Don't be intimidated. With AI, YouTube is more accessible than ever. Imagine a year from now, earning passive income from a channel you built with 0 rupees. Your action plan: brainstorm your niche, use ChatGPT for scripts, find free visuals, edit, and publish. Let AI help with every step, from ideation to SEO. This is a complete A to Z system, powered by free tools. Start today, and you could be the next faceless YouTube success story. Ready for hack number 3? Let's go. Hack 3. Become a blogging tycoon, without writing a word. Use free platforms like Medium or Blogger to start your blog instantly. No hosting or tech skills needed. Pick a catchy niche and name. ChatGPT can help brainstorm both. For content, prompt ChatGPT to generate SEO-optimized articles on any topic. It can also write headlines, meta descriptions, and suggest tags for better search visibility. Your job? Edit, add your personal touch, and publish. Consistency is easy. Schedule weeks of content in just a few days with AI. Monetize with ads, like Google AdSense, Medium's partner program, or affiliate marketing. Write reviews or guides with affiliate links. ChatGPT can help with those too. As your blog grows, sponsorships and brand deals become possible. Focus on a niche you enjoy, so editing AI content feels fun, not a chore. Your role is editor and strategist. ChatGPT does the writing. Build a portfolio of niche blogs for multiple income streams. Start with one, learn, and scale up. The tools are free, the AI is free, and the potential is huge. Don't let fear of writing hold you back. With ChatGPT, you're a content powerhouse. This is your chance to build an audience and income around topics you care about. Let's move to the next hack. Hack 4. Sell digital products created by AI. Easy money. Use ChatGPT to create ebooks, planners, Notion templates, course outlines, or resume templates. No design or coding skills needed. For design, use free tools like Canva to make your products look professional. Sell on free platforms like Gumroad or Payhip. Just upload your product, set a price, and start earning. Example: create an ebook of 100 ChatGPT prompts for social media marketing. Design a cover in Canva and list it for $5. Every sale is almost pure profit since your only investment is time. Create multiple products to build several income streams. The key: solve a specific problem or provide clear value to a target audience. Use ChatGPT for market research. Ask what problems people have or what products are trending. Don't aim for perfection. Launch, learn, and improve with each product. ChatGPT lets you create and test ideas fast, so you can find what sells. Start small, focus on value, and watch your digital library and income grow. This is entrepreneurship, democratized by AI. Your mission: brainstorm product ideas, use ChatGPT for content, Canva for design, and list on Gumroad or Payhip. Build digital assets that earn while you sleep. Let's jump to the final hack. Hack 5. Become an AI content strategist on social media. Offer ChatGPT-powered content services directly on Instagram, Facebook groups, or LinkedIn. No website needed. Businesses and influencers need catchy captions, hashtags, content ideas, email copy, and more. Optimize your social profiles to showcase your content strategy services. Engage in relevant groups, answer questions, and offer value before pitching your services. Services you can offer: Instagram captions, hashtag research, blog or video ideas, product names, email newsletters, all generated and refined with ChatGPT. Example: help a bakery owner struggling with captions by offering a few samples at a special price, using ChatGPT to generate and polish them. Set your own prices: per caption, per package, or monthly retainer. Focus on the benefits, save clients time, and boost their engagement with strategic AI-powered content. Build a simple portfolio of sample work using ChatGPT and share it with prospects. This is direct-to-client freelancing with zero overhead and instant access to your market. Your use of AI is your secret advantage. Deliver high-quality work quickly and consistently. Start by identifying where your ideal clients hang out online. Optimize your profile, engage, and offer your services when you spot an opportunity. Use ChatGPT as your behind-the-scenes assistant to deliver amazing results. Build your client base one happy customer at a time. This is entrepreneurship at its simplest and most scalable, thanks to AI. Take action. Pick your platform, optimize your profile, and start engaging today. The opportunities are endless and the startup cost is zero. Ready for your first move? Now you know 5 powerful ways to make money with ChatGPT, all with zero investment. Which method will you try first? Freelancing, YouTube, blogging, digital products, or social media strategy? Comment below. I want to know. If you found value, hit like, subscribe to TechBucks AI, and share this with a friend who needs to start earning online. More AI income tricks and zero investment hustles are coming soon. Don't miss out. The world of AI is moving fast, and we're here to help you profit from it. Until next time, keep hustling, keep learning, and keep growing with AI.